Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices edged higher as traders assessed a tightening of crude supplies, along with new US tariffs and their expected effect on the world's economy. Trump on Tuesday imposed new 25% tariffs on potential buyers of Venezuelan crude. Wall Street stocks dipped as investors grappled with US President Donald Trump's latest trade tariff announcement that hit shares of General Motors and Ford. Trump unveiled on Wednesday his plan to implement a 25% tariff on imported cars and light trucks, effective on April the 3rd. Bitcoin again fails to copy a gold rally as risk assets sag over US trade tariffs, but traders see BTC price gains taking the market past $90,000 next. BTC displayed uncertain trading behaviour in line with US stocks as the revision of US Q4 GDP came in above forecast.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Attention turns to the economic calendar as the upcoming days feature a series of high, medium and low impact data releases. Each event carries the potential to influence market sentiment, guiding traders and investors' decision making. With these events on the horizon, market participants should stay updated and flexible in their approach. The outcomes may shape trading conditions for days to come.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.